So I'm going to try to get this Schlage Primus picked on camera. Be my first video on YouTube. It is a hand filed key. I got it 0-bitted, so I had to pin it myself. The sidebar was already combinated, so I didn't have to fool with that. And I'm going to be using two different picks. This pick is a Peterson Diamond that I filed down to a kind of a ball half offset hybrid looking pick, and then just a gem from Peterson. And a 50 thousandths pry bar. Go in, pretty heavy tension on this lock, and then just start picking the top pins. I think that was pin 5. I think that's all of them. Nope, pin 2 still hung up. Okay, I think I got them all. I like to double check though, so I'm not picking the sidebar and actually hung up on the top pin. It does feel like the finger pins are binding, so I think we're good. Check these again. Pin 6 is good. Pin 5, 4, 3, 2 is good. 1 is good. I think all those are good. Gonna let off the tension just a little bit. Oh, there we go. It's hung up on finger pin 2. I'll try to keep it in frame there. Alright, so let me see, it is picked. Lock it back up. First, let's take off this tail piece. And put the key in so we don't have to crawl around looking for the springs. Hold the sidebar in. first let's take the sidebar and the sidebar springs out. I'll show you guys this up close here in a second. There's one spring, two springs. Then all of these are just standard pins, no kind of security pins whatsoever. Excuse me. Alright, I'm going to take these out one at a time. See that it hasn't been modified. There we go. And there's that one. Alright, there you guys see that there's no kind of modifications been made to the pins, to the core. Start by finish by taking these top pins out. It's just a standard brass pin. Lost that one, but it's just standard too. Another standard. Standard. There's that one. It's kind of hard to see around the camera, but another standard. And there's the, see the groove that's cut out for the sidebar. And then show you guys a close up of the pins. And that is it. Schlage Primus, picked and gutted on camera.